Okay, guys, I am so distraught. Y'all know I love my electric scooter. I just got it. It hasn't actually been even a year. I got it from Amazon. And I did not know that you have to make sure you keep your battery charged monthly. You don't supposed to let it get low, and you don't supposed to put it in the garage when it's cold. Didn't know none of that. So I did it. So I just knew I was about to go use it. I just knew this mug was going to just charge. I plugged it up. It kept on saying that it wasn't charging, and unfortunately, I cannot get this battery to charge. So I'm about to try to take the battery out. I am going to call around. Also go to some electric scooter places. I see that they sell them on Amazon. Hopefully, maybe I can buy the battery. I'm so distraught, guys, because I spent $300 on this, and this might be just $300 down the drain. It's very hard to find a battery. Nobody told me this. Nobody told me this. All these times I've seen electric scooter videos, nobody said, make sure you keep it charged and don't keep it out in the cold. There's nobody telling you this. I am telling you this. Make sure if you buy a scooter, you keep it in a warm area, you keep it charged. Do not let it get 1% low. It need to be always charged, even when you're not using it. I did not know that. Wasn't using it, so I'm trying to give you this video so you won't be in the same boat that I'm in. The actual batteries itself says 150. Not sure. I'm going to do a little more research. If you know anything about scooter batteries, how to possibly get it back, how to buy another one, I contacted the company, but they're actually on Chinese vacation, so I don't know yet. I'm so distraught. So distraught. $300.